everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 29th to the 2nd of April 2021 on Monday. Sbu find himself in a dangerous territory. Mamlambo's effort at embracing social media are finally starting to pay off, and with Mbata's failed attempt at saving KKC, the church folk pulled in different direction on Tuesday. Mageba wants the detail of the haste. Mamlambo start consulting online. Nonka comes up with a great suggestion for the saloon on Wednesday. Raphael has an official date for the haste to take place. Zeketelo approaches Mpambane raising eyebrows, while Kotini is tricked into meeting up with Fikile on Thursday. Mageba is out for blood and pressure continue to mount for Mangobo. Mamlambo thanks the ancestors for her newfound success. Sbu's disappearance is taking a toll on Figile on Friday. Mangobo's hit a major stumbling block, while Figile risked it all for her love. Mamlambo deals with another rejection. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.